ಭಗವಂತನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆರಂಭಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ.
ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ದೇವಿ.
Club. I also welcome all our members and aides and friends of Rotary and Rotarian friends. Thank you.
It's my privilege as a secretary after successfully completing that to present the annual report. First, let me begin with club service. 38 regular meeting and 12 board of directors meetings was held.
The major donor, Rotarian Dr. Devadas Rai, Professor Dr. B. Devadas Rai, early educated at Manipal MBBS KMC Manipal, MD General Medicine in GNMC Belagavi, consultant physician Arva Health Center Mudubitre from 1993 to 1995, practicing now at Saurabh Clinic Mahindra Arcade. Teaching experience at K.S. Hegde Medical Academy from 1998 to 2008 at AJ Institute of Medical Science from 2008 to 2021 and Kanachur Institute of Medical Science from 2021 to till date. Has guided several PGs and has been a UG and PG MBBS examiner. Has conducted 3 seminars. Has conducted 10 UG medicine quizzes and 5 PG medicine quizzes. Associations. Past President IMA Mangalore, past Secretary IMA Mangalore, Bulletin Editor of Medilore for 20 years. During his IMA presidency, he is responsible for publication of the first IMA branch members directory in Karnataka state. Past President API DK chapter, past Secretary API DK. During his API presidency, he organized successfully API chapter monthly meeting involving distinguished speakers like Dr. Hug Miller, Dr. M.K. Mani, Dr. Tiny Nair, Dr. Vineet Naik, Dr. C.D. Devi Nayakan. He was responsible for the publication of the only members directory of API the decade branch. Past editor Karnataka IMA State Branch House magazines. Past district governor of RI District 3181 of Karnataka. Award received Dakshina Kannada Jilla Rajyotsava Award, IMA Karnataka State Award, IMA Mangaluru Doctors Day Award, Rotary International Service Self Award, Outstanding Young Person of the Year Award of Mangalore JCs. Wife Professor Dr. Supriya Rai and son Saurabh, engineer.
For blessing me as president of this prestigious club, which was formed by PDG Suri, and most of us are past Rotaractors, so we love the company of Rotaractors and this club. It's my privilege to give one acceptance speech, but the responsibility was bestowed upon me last minute in the month of March. So I could not attend Pets and Sets. But still, people say that I know everything in Rotary, but it is not true. Little bit, not everything. Okay. Thank you for keeping faith in me and making me as the president of this prestigious club. I'll see that in this Maya, Hotel Maya, the magic of Rotary will shine. And since Dr. Siram sir has created hope, this year we will definitely create magic. Thank you. And also, I would like to quote one small story, which is, some of you must have been knowing it, but it is worth listening. It is like, that's not the way. That's not the way is the story. Okay. 5 men got lost in the vast forest and they tried to find their way out. The first man said, I'll follow my intuition and go left. Okay. Second man said, I will go right. I have strong feeling about this. The third man said, I think I will walk back the same path we came. This should be the safest position. The fourth man said, I think we are on the right track already, so I will keep going straight. I am sure this forest will end and I will find a village to farm to ask directions. The fifth man said, I don't know what to do. I think I will climb up this tall tree and take a better look around before I make up my mind. The fifth man did that. While he was climbing, the other 4 men scattered towards their own directions. The fifth man now could see from above what was the shortest way to the village. He thought that the others should have chosen the path they did. He was wrong though. Each man chose his own path and gained a different experience. The man who went left found a long path. In the end, it led him to a town. The man who went right had to fight a pack of wolves, but this way he learned how to survive in the forest. The man who went back met another team of hikers and he made new friends. The man who went straight found indeed a farm and was hosted by the family for a couple of days before leaving the village. Everyone was enriched in their own unique way of journey. The deep of this story is, what if there are no right or wrong decisions? Could it be that every decision offers us new experiences, which in turn offers us innumerable further opportunities for growth? Okay, so why I mention this is, my situation is this. I climbed the tree. Last minute I was pushed and I climbed the tree, I found the path. Anyway, I'll find opportunities and as a JC, I know if there is an opportunity provided to you, grab the opportunity. So I am grabbing the opportunity and trying to do best and create the magic. Thank you.
ಶಂಕರ್ ಕಿರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ, ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ನೂತನ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ನಗುಮಗದ ವಿಶೇಷ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಈಗ ಸ್ವದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೃಷಿ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್, ನಗುಮುಗದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದವರು, ಸ್ನೇಹಜೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಮುಂದೆ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಿತರು. ಮುಂದೆ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ PHF ಸುನಂದ ಎಸ್, ಯೂತ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಯುವ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಲಹೆಗಳು ಇವರಲ್ಲಿವೆ. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಶಿವರಾಮಿಯವರ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ಸುನಂದ ಎಸ್. ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಸುಧಾಮಾ ಯು, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಫಾರ್ಮಸ್ಯೂಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ. ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಬೀನ್ sworn in as, tell whatever post you're of the Rotary Club of Mangalore Seaside, swear in the name of God that I shall serve my club faithfully and conscientiously. I swear that I shall adhere to the rules, regulations and bylaws of Rotary International. May God be with me.
ದೇಶದ ಗಡಿಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಮಾನದ ಯೋಧ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸೇವಾವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರದಿಂದ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತರಾದ ಬಳಿಕವೂ ಸೇನಾ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನದ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚುಗಾರಿ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕಲಾಪ್ರೇಮಿ ಸಹೃದಯಿ ಮಾತೆ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಧೀರಕುವರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವರನ್ನ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸೋಣ. ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಕರ್ನಲ್ ವಿನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ ಈಗ ರೋಟರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ 3181 ವಲಯ 3ರ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್, ಮೇಜರ್ ಡೋನರ್, ರೋಟರಿ
ಡಿಗ್ನಿಟರಿ
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಿರಿಯರು. ಅವರನ್ನು ಈಗ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅವರ ಬಯೋಡಾಟಾ ಹೀಗಿದೆ. ಇವರು 1942 ಜೂನ್ 14ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿನಂದು ಜನ್ಮ ತಾಳಿದರು. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ MA B.Ed, 17 years worked in Indian Air Force as sergeant. Participated in 1962 China War and 1971 Pakistan as a president of Teachers Cooperative Society. Currently working as SWAT Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada. Wife late Shailaja Shetty. 3 sons. 1 son settled in USA. Second. ಸಂಚಿಕೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬುಲೆಟಿನ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಂಜನ್ ರಾವ್ ಅವರು.
all my friends in Rotary. My beloved friend, the installation officer, Rotarian Baduru Devadas Ray. The newly installed president, Rotarian Hira Chand Karkera. The club secretary, Rotarian Ashok. The club advisor, Rotarian Madhav Swarna. Tilplenna. Our donor lieutenant. With the man behind us, so Rotarian Yatish and a relieved man. Immediate past president, Rotarian Shivaram. Shivaram and I share a common cricket umpiring. Cricket umpiring, actually. So, on the days of cricket umpiring, we used to share this marvelous game that we won the World Cup also. So, we are all in the in the World Cup frenzy. That's all. It's a nice occasion today, being an assistant governor to this club. It's a vibrant club, even though small. It is not very small, but they're really vibrant. And I must say that the last year, Rotarian Shivaram have done a lot of work, fantastic work, and he has given a platform to Rotarian Hirachand. Till March, he has kept us all in a puzzle, that's all. It was very difficult. We convinced him, and of course, he agreed. He's an experienced person today, so it's nice to take this club as an experience. So I think this whole year will be a wonderful year. He said, create hope. He got magic, and somebody said Maya. The next year, the Rotary team will be Maya. There won't be any team the next year, so we do not know how the next Rotary years will go. Without any team, it's like directionless. Anyway, we have to enjoy all the things what the Rotary tells us to do. Congratulations, Rotarian Shivaram, for the wonderful work. You and your team deserve it. The Platinum Award, whatever it is, yes. And I wish Hirachand, he's a good friend of mine, he always phones me regularly. He's the only one that I feel that his Rotary is alive because of him. He always calls me, tell I want that, I want this and all. Many things which I could not provide because he was even asked for the phone number of RA President Stefan Archik also, which I don't have. Such a wonderful person. So, wish you all the best. I wish Ashok also a great year. And I have all my friends here. My club advisor, Rajendra Kalbavi, PDG of yesteryear, Rotarian PD Shetty, my co-PDGs, Ashok, KM Hegde, Rotarian Vishwanath, Zonal Lieutenant Rajesh Shetty, Shivani Balika, predecessor, Mr. Yami Malya, the well-wisher, Rotarian Kishan, Zonal Lieutenant, Professor Ravi Shankar, my well-wisher, great friend, and Professor Anita. So, dear President and Secretaries of various club, zonal lieutenants also, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for coming to this program.
President Hirachand, installing officer, our good friend, a good friend of Rotaractors, Dr. Devadas Rai, Major Donor, AG Dr. Ranjan, and ZL Doctor, 3 doctors, Yatish, and Secretary Ashok, and outgoing President Shivaram. You can see all are ex-Rotaractors, including me. Yes. And Shivaram's wife is ex-Rotaractor. She is from our club, Rotaract Me. Sunanda, yes. Okay, fellow Rotarians, aunts, aunts, and my invitees. Just 6 years baby, Rotary Seaside got a very good name in RA District 3181. It gives me immense pleasure that this club got Platinum Award this year. Beautiful activities, wonderful activities. Chinnara, Chilipili and teachers' talents was wonderful. And they had independence celebration at Nirashrita Kendra, Vamanjur, helped a lot to Anganawadi, and got government school, Bokkapatna also some service activities are done. So I am proud of you Seasiders. A road track based club. Many road tractors led the club. Florik was our founder, charter president, yes, and Ashok, Yatish, all road tractors. Now Hira Chand. He's from Road Track City. Yes. And almost all the seaside road tractors approached Hira Chand. Almost all the seaside road tractors, Rotarians. So they tell Hira, president Ali, Irege Inc. full support ಉಳ್ಳ. ಹೀರಾ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ, ಮಾಧವಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಿರೋಡ್ಬಕ ಜಂಜಿದಲಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ವೈ ಫೈರತ್ತ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೋಟ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹೀರಾ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಗೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀರಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಲೀಡರ್. ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವರು DRR ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಎದುರು. ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ದತ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಶವ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಅವರು ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಗವರ್ನರಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಆ ಗವರ್ನರು ಕೇಶವರನ್ನು ಏಜಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಸ್ ಭರತೇಶ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟಿ. ಸೊ ರೋಟಿದೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟಿ. ಸೊ ಹೀರಾ ಚಂದ್, ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕು, ಮಾತು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡು, ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡು.
Of Mangalore Seaside, Rotarian Hira Chand Karkera, Secretary of the club for this year, Rotarian PHF Ashok, the advisor of this club, and actually I think he's been more like a mentor, advisor and mentor, Rotarian multiple Paul Harris Fellow Madhava Swarna, Assistant Governor, Zone 3, RIDC 3181, 2023-24-25, Rotarian Major Donor Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Zonal Lieutenant of this club and of course a member of this club also, Rotarian Dr. Yatish, and the President, the star president of the year 23-24, Rotarian PHF Shivaram, Rotarians, Rotractors, Ants, Annettes, Johns, ladies and gentlemen. This club was started in the year 2018. Any other connection Hira, because Hira, I'll talk a little later about him, he is my boy. So any connection of 2018 to a major event which happened in Rotary? Okay, I'll tell it. See, what happened is Rotary started in 1905 and Rotary continued doing lot of service to the world and it was a very vibrant organization. But somewhere along the line, the board of directors and the board of trustees thought that maybe we may be obsolete, because you know, if you keep doing the same things again and again, the attraction is not there. Possibly that is one thing for Rotract we can. So what they did is they sat down, the board of trustees and the board of directors sat down and decided to have a survey. They surveyed 1 million people. Very big effort, million people, past Rotary presidents, past Rotary office bearers all over the world, Rotractors, alumni, then youth exchange scholars. About 1 million people were, their opinion poll and different surveys and all were done. And in the year 2017, the Rotary Board of Trustees and the directors brought out the Rotary's vision plan, vision statement. That vision statement says we have to strive for continuous activity and make a change in the lives of people in different communities. That is a theory part. Then they felt, no, we have still not done much. 100 years we have done well. For the remaining 100 years, what we should do? So they thought we'll again go back to the brass tacks. This time they didn't take the opinion of 1 million people. They took the opinion of about 582 past Rotary office bearers and all those things. And then came the Rotary Action Plan. Today I am talking to you about the Rotary Action Plan. One of the important players in the formulation of the Rotary Action Plan is our present RI President, Rotarian Major Donor Stephanie Urchik. She is in fact the one who thought of this action plan. So 2018 is the year when the action plan came into play, and 2018 is the year when your club was also chartered. That is the connection. Why this action plan? Already I told you, people, Rotary has to live in the present. Rotary has to keep on changing, otherwise we'll die. So they made this action plan. Now what is this action plan? Together we can create impact all over the world and render significant activity to communities and different places all over the world. This is in gist the exact wording is, I can tell you, is the action plan, because I think you need the exact word. Together we see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe in our communities and in ourselves. This is an actual action plan. Now what is this action? Because all of us need to know it. See, we are talking about action plan, action plan, action plan. But what is this action plan? 4 major things in the action plan. First is increase your impact. Increase your impact. All activities which you do this year, of course this action plan has already come up been rolled out in 2019 and 20. Already 3 years of the action plan is over and the 2 years is left, 5 years. But they're going to continue. So what the Rotary International wants clubs to do is increase your impact. How do you do that? Have projects and activities. Maybe they may not be, very expensive, but which are concerning your community. Go to the place where you're existing and do more impactful projects. More impactful projects so that you can involve other organizations who are also doing that and pull them into Rotary. So increase your impact this year. Not this year, from last 2 years. So maybe the Rotary Club of Mangalore Seaside, which has already got a Platinum Award, should increase the impact of all its service activities and go for Platinum Plus. Now here, see, everywhere, Rotary and everywhere you have to learn. I was under the impression that there is only Platinum Plus. Hirachan corrected me. There is one more, Platinum Excellence. I have not seen any club being awarded with that. Maybe our governors don't know it or what. So maybe you can go for Platinum Excellence. Increase your impact. That's the first thing in the action. All of us should know the action plan, because suddenly somebody asks in the road or some other non-Rotary, what is your action plan? Then you should not say, I don't know. You should know it. Every Rotary. That's why I thought I'd talk about it today. The second is expand our reach. Now what is it, expand our reach? You have to reach out. You have to reach out. 1.2 or 1.3 is not enough. You have to bring in more people who are service-minded to Rotary. Expand your reach. Go, reach out to ex-Rotractors. Reach out, of course, you have reached, the club only has been formed by ex-Rotractors. Reach out ex-alumni members. Reach out to leaders in the community. There are a lot of people who do a lot of good work, but they are not coming to Rotary because, they are scared. All these, formalities and all. Dinkar Desai was a very famous poem. Rotary bantu nama urige shubra utta madidru matte adalla. We have to find ways to increase our impact. Bring in more and more people, bring more youngsters. Even Stephanie Urchuk in her theme also she says, bring in more women, bring in more youngsters to Rotary so that Rotary will survive. The third point in the action plan is increase the member engagement. Increase the member engagement in your clubs. So it is not only bring people from outside. The members who are already there, the active members, increase their engagement. How do you do it? There are many ways. You have involved them, of course, all of us involve them in the meetings, one welcome speech, one that one. And plus, if there are some picnics, you involve them, you have new ideas, new things. And diversity, equity, and inclusiveness, DEI, she says that. Try to have diversity in the membership. Try to bring equity. The female gender should come to 30% or more. Now it's not that much. And then inclusiveness. Include all the members in your various activities. If you do that, no member will walk out from your club. This is the third thing. That is, increase member engagement. And the fourth thing is, increase our ability to adapt. We have to adapt to the times. When the corona came, when the COVID pandemic came, I was feeling very bad because I am a passionate member of my Rotary Club of Mangalore Central. I don't miss any meetings. I was thinking, now we can't meet physically. Then we had our that time's secretary, Joy Lobo, and other. We thought, okay, we'll meet online. Every club did it. You met online. So that was adaptability. Increase our capacity to adapt to the times. The times are, the times are not the same. The times will not say, okay, Rotary should do that way. We have to adapt. If you adapt, then the movement will continue to survive. Then there are certain things which they have talked in the action plan. Why the action plan? I already mentioned. Because Rotary has to survive for another many years. Rotary has to continue to do the good work it is doing. A lot of impact all over the world. Then they also say that involve the Rotaractors. Very much in the action plan it is there. Why Rotaractors? Because now Rotaract has been made another separate partner of the road. It's an independent thing, but it's the Rotaractors who can do a lot for us. And therefore involve them, involve many other people. And these 4 things, Hirachand, first one is, you increase the impact of all your things, including the meetings, try to make the meetings. Then, number 2 is, expand your reach. And the third thing is, increase the member engagement or participant engagement. And the 4th is, increase your ability to adapt. So these 4 things. So with these 4 things, the Rotary Club of Mangalore Seaside. Now personal about Hirachand. Hirachand was my boy. Hirachand was in the Rotary Club of Mangalore City. He was the president once. He did a fantastic job. That was a conference here when Jayaprakash Rao was a DRR. Hirachand was the president, and I was anyway one president. Once again, he was the president of the Rotary Club of Mangalore City, where there was a crisis situation, and somehow inwardly I thought that he'll come join the Rotary Club of Mangalore Center. It was in a meeting of the Rotary Club of Derlakatte, a dinner meeting, when he phoned me up. Sir, I have to tell you some news, bad news. What? Sir, I am joining the Rotary Club of Bangalore Seaside. So it shook me a little, but then I realized, see, Rotary is Rotary. Wherever you are Rotarian. Today, it was a reluctant Hirachand to take the charge, not because of his capacity, he can do. Maybe personal problems, everybody has got personal problems. So he thought, he was a reluctant president, but he has taken charge. And of course, the secretary, not his secretary, the club secretary, Rotarian Ashok, Ashok was the president, Hirachand was the secretary. Now it's a reversal of roles. So I have no doubt and one more thing is an encyclopedia of Rotary. He knows so much about Rotary. He may not win the quizzes. That's a different issue. Quizzes, even if I am a quiz master, if I go, I may not win. But the depth of knowledge, how much he studies about Rotary and Rotaract is marvelous. So you have a very good president leading you this year, and you have got a very good secretary leading you this year. And of course a mentor, Madhav Swarna. Like how I was in the Rotary Club of Derlakatte, till I became the governor, every week I used to go there. I used to take the guest also with me and take there. 4 members, 5 members. So Madhav Swarna has done the same thing. He has mentored the Rotary Club of Seaside, and today it has come to 26 members with 4 ladies, and I think some more people are joining. Try to make it 30. That is the thing. Now, about the people who have led you last year. Rotarian Shivaram, PHF, and Rotarian Achan Shetty. You have created magic. You had hope. You had created hope in the world, and you created magic by winning the platinum. It's not a small thing. Starts with silver, then goes to gold, then goes to platinum, platinum plus, and of course now platinum excellence. So for all the hard work, Shivaram also is quite close to me, because my father-in-law was the principal of NITK. When Shivaram joined there as a physical director, Dr. N.R. Shetty. And then I know my father-in-law was telling the turf pitch in NITK and all those things, and so many things was all Shivaram's, and of course his wife also was very much active. The daughter also is here. Now, I would request everybody in the audience, except Shivaram and Achan, to stand up and give them a standing ovation for all that they have done. No, you have to sit. Achan also has to sit. So congratulations to the Rotarians of the Rotary Club of Mangalore Seaside. May you continue to serve the community of Mangalore and the Rotary world with the same zeal in the future. And may you, already you are there among the top premier clubs of the district, may you continue to be the one of the premier clubs in the district. I would also like to thank Rotarian Sudhama, President-elect, for so nicely introducing me to the audience. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Rotarian Hirachand ಅವರು ನೆನಪಿನ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ರಂಜನ್ ರಾವ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿನ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ.
ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒಕೇಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಮೈ ಅಂಕಲ್ ತಮ್ಮಲೆ ಶಶಿಕಾಂತ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ, ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿಯ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ accept a ರೋಸ್. 5 ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ತಮ್ಮ, ತಾಯಿಯ ತಮ್ಮ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಕರ್ಕೇರ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಕಿರಿಯವರು ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ತಂದೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ,
President, dignitaries on dais, and fellow Rotarians, guests, it is my pleasure to thank our chief guest, Major Donor Dr. Devdas Rai, for this function. Thank you, sir. And also thanks to our Assistant Governor, Major Donor Dr. Ranjan R.K. Thank you, sir. Yeah. And also thanks to Surendra Karkera, the media people, for covering, and also the other photographer for covering our program for the
ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಟು ಆನರ್ ದೆಮ್. ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಟು ಕಮ್. Club Mangalore Seaside adjourn this installation meeting for fellowship and dinner. Before that, national anthem.
Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Vanga, Vindhya, Himachala, Yamuna, Ganga, Uchchala, Jaladi, Taranga. All the best.
Yeah.